This is an approximately 750 square foot one bedroom in Marble Hill on West 225th Street. You may recognize the building because of the casement windows. So I'm walking here through the living room, which is about 20 by 12, and I'll give you a peek at the view from the living room. Then coming around so you can see the other part of the living room with the characteristic Art Deco built-in shelves and the arches. And this one bedroom also has a very large foyer, which a lot of people have used as a dining room. And there's the door where I came in, next to which is a closet. This apartment has 4 closets in all, and they're all pretty deep with shelves that go up for some extra storage. The kitchen is a galley kitchen with a nice big window. It does have a dishwasher and some additional storage and cabinet space here with a built-in cupboard. Then going over to the bedroom, which has 2 closets, and it has a corner casement window facing east and south. And again, I'll walk over so that you can take a look at the view, which includes the Harlem River and the Broadway Bridge. And also, as you can see, the building is right next to the Metro North station. This bedroom is pretty large too. Lots of people have had king-size bedroom sets in this bedroom. The floors are in great shape. They're the classic random link floors that have been beautiful in this building since 1937. Also characteristic of this building are the yellow and black tiles of the bathrooms and the big, deep cast iron tub. Next to the bathroom here is I'm forgetting the name, a closet where, a linen closet, that's what I was trying to think of. And back out here to the hallway. I'm taking this video before the apartment gets prepped for the next person, but as you can see, it is a spacious and bright one-bedroom apartment in Marble Hill.